Good morning. We're down here today at the shop doing some important work. We're working on stuff, and we like to think of ourselves as really talented technicians, I guess would be the word. And McD over here is one of the talented technicians that we have on staff here today. And if you'll notice, we've been just taking wheels off of this Jeep right here. So McD, without further ado, would you remove this wheel for the people so they can see it? He unbolts these usually the best way. What? That might have been an accident there. Yeah, the lug nuts. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video. That is now the end, and we'll be talking to you soon.